Kilarigbo Live TV.
This is the road. I will call the government. I will call the government. Nonsense.
Hi everybody. I need to go on this live to be able to explain a lot of things and concerning the video circulating. And I would like, a lot of people to come in and join this live. And I would like for you just to listen to me as I explain my part. It's been an ordeal since yesterday. And for me, I like to say things the way they are. I am not somebody to lie. I stand for integrity and I stand for the truth, and I'll say it, come what may. What happened yesterday, because me and the police official went through the place where the BRT lane incident happened. And when we got there today, he confirmed that there were supposed to be diversions around there. And I showed him where the thing happened before we made settlements. What happened yesterday, my car was taken. The policeman got into my car, got his gun in my car, pointed at me. They forcefully collected my key and drove my car off to their yard. And I kept on asking, where are they taking my car to? None of them could talk. None of them could talk. I called my friend, and this will bring me back to the video. I called my friend who owns the car in the video. I don't own that Lexus car. I called my friend who owned the car, and he sent police escorts to come pick me. When the police escort got there, I had been brutalized. My car had been forcefully taken off me. I was upset, and I did go to the police officer because he had thrown some tantrums and said that do your worst. Then I said I will call the governor. And I have a right to say I will call the governor of a state, who is the chief security officer, if I feel treated otherwise. I have a right to say that. The only part I apologize for was when I used expletives. Bleeding bastards. I apologize for that. But I will call the governor. I have every right to say that. And I said it. That's what's been circulated in the video. But they didn't record the part that when they drove my car off and they forcefully took my keys off. They didn't record other parts of this video. And yesterday, after I tried to resolve things with them, because they begged and they wanted an amicable settlement, you can ask the first PRO, a great man, Mr. Ben Undeyi. We had our back and forth, but we have settled things out. In fact, he was surprised that another video was leaked to this event, and he was not happy about it. And I called him. All right? I called him and he was not happy. Also, the chief press secretary in Lagos even told me, please, Rufai, let's just let this go. We didn't know people that were going to release more video to inflame it. I said, I'll call the governor, because that was the time I had people around me. Prior to this time, when the policeman drove my car away, I was the only person there. Anything could have happened to me. And that's why I made a tweet out. Listen, I have nothing against the Lagos state government. All I call for in all my reportage is fairness and equity. The way I criticize the PDP, I criticize the APC, I criticize all political parties. I confirmed to you that once they said I drove on BRT lane, I said I have no problems paying with the infraction. I said it in my tweets. I'm not here to lie, because a lot of people have been spinning it. Even various newspapers are carrying stories that are not true. Reputable newspapers in this country. But I will not react. They just carry the parts. See, the state police PRO even was aware that I didn't resist arrest in any form. I didn't resist arrest in any form. And I have messages of him sending to me saying that he knows I didn't resist arrest in any form. All right? I just wanted to set the record straight. And I just wanted to say this for the benefit of everybody, to know the truth. I am not going to be in the vanguard of anything evil. Never. And when the people stopped me, that, oh, you're on the BRT lane, I said I was ready to pay any infraction, and all they needed to do was to wait for the people that were coming to meet me to come, so that they were going to follow them. When I got there, after saying a lot, then the case extended, which I don't think it should have extended. But you see, everything is a lesson in life. I would still like to thank people in the government. I would still like to thank the police, because as you have good ones, you have ones that are not good enough. I would still like to thank superhuman beings like the head of the task force that waded into the matter. When I got my car back, maybe because of the rough driving, some things have been, my bumper and all of that, but I'll fix all of that. Listen, I am not somebody that comes out there to exonerate itself. I'm a real stickler to discipline. I see the way all of this has been politicized, but I don't think it is the story. I'm a stickler for discipline. And when they told me that I was on the BRT lane, I accepted. And me calling, saying I'll call the governor, I said it because I had a right to call the governor in a state where the police had treated me wrongly. I'm just saying this to set the record straight. The reason I made the tweets was because they were driving with my car away from me without me being there. And the police officer wouldn't tell me anything. I am a journalist. I don't like being in the story. All right? I don't like being the center of any story. I am not happy about this ordeal. There are people that have traffic infractions every day. But because they have traffic infractions, it's not making headline news everywhere. And it has to be said. I've got nothing against anybody. And I thank the state government. And I thank everybody for their support. And I thank everybody for the message. This is all I needed to explain about it, just to set the record straight. I will not lie to you. I confirm to you again, based on the video circulating, that I said yes, I will call the governor, because that was after they had taken my car away and I was a bruised man. And the man was still taunting me. I just wanted to do this for the sake of everybody. And me saying I'll call the governor is not because I think I'm better than anybody else. It's because I will always call those in authority when things happen. There is no other person I can call in the States apart from the number one person in the States. And for those that are turning this politically, please, I beg you, my commentary on issues is as empirical as it can get. Let us focus on that. It is not about me. I've seen so many comments. I've seen so many calls. I will keep doing what. That's about all I can, so I can focus on my work and my life. Thank you, everybody. Thank you to the media.
Kilarigbo Live TV.